Dave here. How are you? I just wanted to show you a little part of the area that the Lymow does that's not as nice as all of that area over there. Now, this area here is quite rugged, but it's doing a fantastic job of it. What I've done is I've got him to record from the onboard camera, broadcasting to my phone, and I've done a screen recording at the same time. Now, you'll see up behind me, it's quite wet and steep and not very pretty. But I'll tell you what, set it to a little bit higher than you normally would for areas that you're not overly sure of. That way the front of the Lymow won't bury in, and slow the speed down as well. The faster that machine goes, it'll bounce around on the tracks and might dive down forwards and hit the bumper and say, you know what, I can't go any further. There must be an obstacle, and it'll turn around. So I slow the speed down in these areas down to around 300 millimeters. That's 30 centimeters per second. It can go a meter a second, but just slow it right down. Set the blade speed to eco and set the height high, depending on what you have. You've got some small rocks there so that it's not actually hitting the blades, and then slowly come down, do a few passes, and eventually you'll get there and it'll look beautiful, like this is starting to look here behind me. But as I say, just work through everything. I also keep some dirt on standby. I bought a few ton of dirt in, like topsoil, and you'll find that you can see where your dips and depressions are that may have an effect on the Lymow. Fill those up a little bit as you're going along, and then do this all through the growing season. And hey presto, you'll have a really, really nice lawn from what was rubbish before. You need to be aware of the machine's capabilities. It's not something that you're going to send out the first day and, you know what, oh look, I've got a bowling green lawn after it's been done the first cut. Not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. It takes time. You'll develop your lawn and it'll look schmick. Have a look over on the side over there. I may have the playlist for the Lymow that I've been doing all this time. I've been beta testing. I've been using it for heaps. I absolutely love the machines. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, links in the video description below if you want a machine like mine.